Hi everyone, good morning. Today I am here to discuss over one more very important and simple topic which will generally ask for 4 or 2 marks. Under the topic demand. In previous video, we people work on the meaning of demand, determinants of demand and functional relationship of the demand. As we know, again we recall the meaning of demand and discuss today's topic. What do you mean by demand? The demand refers to the quantity of goods and services the consumer willing to buy and able to offer at given price and consumers taste and preferences is called as demand. The demand can also define in the form of formula QD is equals F of P. QD quantity of demand, F functional relationship, P price. In this equation, QD is dependent variable, P is independent variable. So, the demand is depends upon the price, which means price changes, quantity demand also changes. We will discuss in detail about that in further classes. Today we concentrate on today's topic, that law of demand. Note the point, law of demand. The law of demand refers to, law of demand explains the relationship between the price and quantity demand for the commodity. The law of demand, it refers the relationship between the price of a commodity and quantity demand for a commodity. And the law of demand states that other things are equal. I will discuss about that. Other things are equal. There is a negative. Note that point. There is a negative or opposite relationship. There is a negative or opposite relationship between demand for a commodity and its price. What's the relationship between the price and quantity demand for a commodity means there is a negative relationship. There is a opposite relationship between the price for a commodity and quantity demand for a commodity. Is a very important and notable point. Finally, we will discuss about the meaning of law of demand. As I wrote here, according to law of demand, when price of a commodity increases, its demand falls. In other hand, when price of a commodity decreases, its demand rises. Remaining all other factors are same or constant. This is the meaning. Again, the law of demand refers to the law of demand. It explains the price of a commodity increases price of a commodity increases, its demand means the quantity demand for a commodity falls down, decreases. In other hand, the price of a commodity decreases. The price of a commodity decreases. The quantity demand for a commodity increase. So there is a negative relationship. So there is a opposite relationship between the price of a commodity and quantity demand for a commodity when remaining all other factors are same, remaining all other things are common, remain all other things are constant. Which are they? Remaining all other things are constant. They are taste and preference. Next, the prices of relative goods. Prices of relative goods. Income of a consumer. Income of a consumer. Climate. Government policies. These are all come under remaining factors are common or remaining factors are constant. Let's clarify. Let's try to understand this statement of law of demand with a simple table or schedule and diagram. Yes, the table and diagram for law of demand as follows. In front of you there is a simple table. Column 1, price of a commodity. Column 2, demand for a commodity. Price I choose here rupees 2, rupees 4, rupees 6, rupees 8, rupees 10. You may write rupees 4, rupees 6, rupees 8, rupees 10. And demand for a commodity I measured in the numbers 100 units, 80 units, 60 units, 40 units, 20 units. As I discussed already in detail about the meaning of law of demand, the law of demand states that when the price of a commodity increases, quantity demand for a commodity decreases. When price of a commodity decreases, quantity demand for a commodity increases. That let's understand with the help of numbers. Price is 2. The people demand 100 units of a commodity. When price increases from 2 to 10, the people demand 20 units of a commodity. Means price is less, demand for a commodity more. Price is more, demand for a commodity is less. Price is 2, less. Quantity demand for a commodity 100, more. Price is more, 10. Quantity demand for a commodity 20, less. So price is less, demand is more. Price is more, demand is less. Let's see. When price is 2, people demand 100 units. Price increase from 2 to 4, the people decreases their demand from 100 to 80. When price again increases from 4 to 6, again people reduces their demand from 80 to 60. When price again increases from 6 to 8, again the people decreases their demand for commodity from 60 to 40. When price further increases from 80 to 10, the people reduces their demand for a commodity further from 40 to 20. Price increases, the demand decreases. The price decreases, demand increases. There is a negative, there is a opposite relationship between the price for a commodity and quantity demand for a commodity. Diagrammatical representation also speak that only. OY axis I measured price for a commodity. OX axis I measured demand for a commodity. Yes, as per the table I mark all the numbers. The price 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here, yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Quantity demand 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Let's see. When price is 2, clearly observe and follow. When price is 2, the demand is more, 100. I marked. When price increases from 2 to 4, the people demand decreases from 100 to 80. When price further increases from 4 to 6, again the people demand decreases from 80 to 60. When price increases from 6 to 8, further the people demand decreases from 60 to 40. When price increases from 8 to 10, the people demand decreases from 40 to 20. Now, I prepare a graph. Yes, price 8, demand 40. Price 6, demand 60. Price 4, demand 80. Price 2, demand 100. Now let's join all the points. The line is arrived. That line is known as DD. DD means demand curve. The demand curve. The demand curve slope downward from left to right. Slope downward from left to right. Left to right. Slope downward from left to right. Price is more, demand is less. Price is more, demand is less. Price is less, demand is more. So there is a opposite relationship between the price of a commodity and quantity demand for the commodity. It's what we call the simple concept or the information about the law of demand. Remaining, we will discuss in further classes. Thank you.